Welcome to Diablo's all-new tracking point framing blade, the most advanced 7 1/4 saw blade ever to hit the construction industry. Packed with all new cutting-edge technology, this new blade now delivers unprecedented life and durability, unmatched cutting precision, and superior control and ease of feed. This leap in cutting performance is made possible by Diablo's new tracking point tooth design, which creates a knife-like cutting edge for fast, effortless cuts and acts as a rudder for improved tracking. A special blend of Tyco high-density carbide ensures extreme life and durability. A new design of polymer fills anti-vibration vents reduces noise and vibration whilst increasing blade rigidity. And with Diablo's proprietary PermaShield coating for reduced drag, gumming and corrosion, no other blade on the market packs in so much technology to help you up your cutting game.